And hope doing well. Today I decide to make 555 full range frequency generator. You can see I have I have 6 cap here. The caps will fix the 555 frequencies, and also I have one 220k pot to adjust the frequency. The first pin header is 10 microfarad electrolyte capacity. The output is connected to the meter. The meter range is 2.59 Hz. As the schematic, here is the schematic with 6 capacitors to make 555 full range frequency. The next header is 10 Hz. More is 23 Hz. The next one is 100 Hz.